3 rules to make money fast with Clickbank. What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George, and in this video I just want to go over the 3 rules or guidelines on how to actually earn money fast, quickly by using Clickbank. And I just want to say, I've been doing this for a month right now, so this is more of like a documented journey type process for me. And these rules will probably change over time, but I have been getting quite a lot of success with Clickbank. So I just thought I'd quickly give you guys my free tips, my free rules, quote unquote, on how to earn money with Clickbank quickly. How I've been able to generate money with Clickbank quickly, and then possibly in like a few months time I'll create a new video, and then we can compare the 3 rules that I've got now with the 3 rules that I've got then. But there's basically 3 things that I've really noticed with Clickbank, and 3 things I just want to give to you guys, 3 little golden nuggets that you can take with you on your journey of earning multiple 6 figures with Clickbank and affiliate marketing in general. So the first major takeaway point that I have gotten from Clickbank, from this whole journey so far, is to choose a niche and a product that you are already familiar with. Okay, and then also when you are picking the niche, make sure that it is easy to actually sell the product, and it's easy to get conversions. So if you are very knowledgeable of, like, for example, gambling and casinos, etc., just understand and take into consideration the fact that it is quite difficult to promote those products on Facebook. Okay, it's not impossible, but you will need to understand and expect that Facebook will constantly disapprove your ads, take down your ad accounts, etc. Okay, so pick a niche that you are knowledgeable about. Why? Because it's so much easier to create angles and headlines and copy, etc., on a niche or an industry that you understand and that through and through. For example, with me, I noticed a campaign that I ran a couple of weeks back when I just starting out. I saw a campaign or a product had an extremely high payout, and it was basically for gardening. Now, I have literally no experience with gardening. I don't like, it's not something that I am interested in, but like I said, high payout, it was recurring commission. I thought, what, the gravity is high, let's just go for it, let's try it out. And I was just struggling to understand what those people are thinking. It's hard to come up with like a headline that triggers them emotionally, because I just don't understand the industry. So you need to understand that people, they buy with emotion, and then basically they use logic to clarify what they have just done. So they make the purchase emotionally, and then after that they use logic to make it make sense for them, basically. And for example, if I choose something related to fitness, or maybe like traveling, photography, etc., that is something I am more knowledgeable about. And especially fitness, it's very easy for me to create headlines and copy and angles for fitness, because I understand what those people are thinking. It's easy for me to think of a headline. For example, let's just say there's a product for students, and for someone that wants to lose weight without let's say giving up partying. Okay, it's easy for me to think of an angle. I can say something like how to lose weight and get in shape quickly, without giving up partying and having a social life, or something like that, or how to combine fitness with being a student, something like that, because I understand what that is. I've been through it myself. I've been active in the fitness industry as well. I'm a big fan of working out and fitness, etc. So it's easier for me to think of an angle to trigger that person emotionally, to get that person to click on the ad and to click on the landing page or the bridge page or whatever. Okay, so that's my first major key takeaway point, is to choose a niche and the product that you are knowledgeable about. And like I said, make sure you choose wisely. If whatever industry or niche you are knowledgeable about is in the sort of like gray area in terms of Facebook, then just make a wise decision whether or not you move forward with that. Speaking of landing pages, one of the things that I have learned over the last 5-6 weeks is that you can almost never run ads directly to the landing page that they provide. Okay, it's not impossible, but almost like I said, 99.9% of the time, there are things on the landing page that are no longer approved by Facebook. Okay, so if you run ads directly to the hop link, it will almost always get disapproved because, like I said, there's so much copy, there's so much content on that landing page, and you do not own the landing page. You know, the affiliate, or not the affiliate, the owner of the product owns that landing page, so you can't really request changes because he's probably tested that landing page over and over again, and he knows that that landing page works for him, so he knows that if the people do actually get onto it, it will convert like crazy. Okay, so what you need to do is create a bridge page that bridges, you know, the ad with the landing page, so you have something in between that gets people to click through to the landing page, and that is called a bridge page, and that is something that you need to create. And if the landing page that the product owner has created has got a video sales letter, so a video that promotes a product, you do not need a quiz or anything like that to engage the person before actually getting onto the landing page, because the video sales letter already does that for you. Okay, so if the product landing page has got a sales letter, a video sales letter, then all you need to do is get that person from the ad to click through as quickly as possible, and then, you know, the video sales letter will do its magic. If there's no video sales letter on the landing page that you get from the product owner, then you need to get that person, you know, more engaged. You need to get that person to basically commit his time into, you know, the bridge page, so that he is more qualified and more likely to purchase or, you know, click through on the landing page to whatever, you know, the payment gateway is. Okay, and you can do that by having like a mini quiz. I've got a video on that. It's also on this YouTube channel, so, you know, make sure you check that out. I think it's the Instagram story, earn money with Instagram story and Clickbank. I think, like I said, I'm not 100% sure. If it's not, I'll probably, you know, leave a comment below this video with the actual video that shows you how you can create a Quizlander. But like I said, you know, a bridge page that is in between the advertisement and the landing page is almost a must-have nowadays, because Facebook are getting more and more strict, and they will disapprove the landing page that they provide you with. And then the third rule that I've got for you guys today is one that I got off Colin Dijs, who is the owner of Debaroo, and he's always talking about the 3-day rule. And the 3-day rule means that, which is also applicable for Clickbank, means that when you run the ads, the budget should be 3 times the payout, and then you run the ads for 3 consecutive days. Why? Because basically that allows you to generate the most amount of data in the least amount of time possible, and that data is also accurate. So for example, you know, you may run an ad for 1 day, and that could be a weekend, it could be Christmas Day, it could be Valentine's Day. You know, that data for that day isn't necessarily accurate, because there's so many different variables at play. And if you run the ad for 3 consecutive days, you know, you've basically got 3 days of data. And, you know, let's say 1 day is Christmas Day or 1 day is a weekend, and you might get 10 conversions, but then, you know, on the other 2 days you don't get as many conversions, and then it basically just evens itself out. And then basically, you know, you can make a decision from there: do you scale the ad or do you kill the ad? And how do you do that? You know, by checking the data, seeing how many sales you do get, and if that is profitable. So if it is profitable within 3 days, then you know that you've got a good ad, you've got a good angle, you've got a good creative, and then you can scale the ad from there. If it's not profitable after 3 days, then, you know, it's 99.9% not likely to ever be profitable, because the way Facebook ads work is that if an ad you know, is profitable, basically the more you scale the ad, the less profitable it becomes, and that is just a fact. You know, that's something that we just need to deal with as media buyers. So if it's profitable on a small scale, then scale it up. If it's not profitable, then just kill it, because it's not worth your time or your money.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.